birthday, Mama Sheila. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. I miss you.
Hi Mama Shi, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And I know that we haven't seen each other for a while. And I can't wait to see you again. And please, pagpalakas ka, maging healthy living ka na this year. And thank you so much dahil tinuturing mo akong anak-anakan mo. And sana maraming pera ang pumasok sa'yo this year. Alam kong yan ang gusto mo. Yun lang, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mami Shi. Hi, Mami Shi. I'm back, ang nag-iisa mong ampon. Happy birthday, more birthday ko to come. Stay beautiful. See you next year. Mag-iinom pa kami nila ko. Bye!
Birthday ta, wishing you all the best. Sana hindi ka na palaging masungit. Tsaka huwag ka na ma-stress. Sana di ka na lang magkasakit. Yun lang. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Shi. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sisi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pasensya ka na at ngayon na ako nakapag-greet sa'yo. Pero I made you a reel. Kaya I hope you're happy. Ang advice ko lang sa'yo, never give up. Alam mo na, pagiging nanay natin. So, keep going and always have faith in your heart. Yun ka naman talaga. So, always, family is your mission today. And until a lifetime na. So, I just want to wish you a happy birthday at pasasaan ba at magbabanding din tayo. Okay, I hope you're happy today. Love you. Love you, love you. Hi again, Sisi. Hindi ako kontento sa video ko. Kasi, alam mo na, supposed to be, tayo ay nagbaband ngayon at nagkakantahan. And since nalaman ko na may sakit ka, so, wala tayong magagawa kundi magpahinga. At ako din naman ay nanlalambot pa sa aming biyahe. Super tagal ang biyahe namin sa Bicol. Pero worth it naman. So, yun. Siguro, by next year, kung makarating si Ate Jo, tayo naman ang mag-explore. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na wala akong pasalubong. Alam mo na. At ano lang ako. Alam mo na, sila ang bahala sa lahat this time. So, walang walis. Merong konting pili. So, yun na lang ang pa-birthday ko sa'yo. Bumawi ka na lang next time, okay? Love you. Have a nice day. Enjoy with your family. Dinner. Okay? Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma. Wish you all the best. Sana mapapabuhay mo. Huwag ka na masyado makulit. Yun lang. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! Always stay safe and more birthdays to come. We love you.
I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ma, happy birthday. Ingat palagi. I love you. I miss you. Ingat kayo dyan.